Hi guys, in today's video we are going to mix feeds together. I'm going to mix 100 kilograms of feed. Our birds have reached week 35 and we are feeding them on layers mash, and so we are using Koudijs feeds, and then we are following the Koudijs mixing formula. So in this video I want to show you how we mix our feeds and then we reduce on the cost of buying mixed feeds. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like this video. You know me, I'll share with you as a beginner so that you can learn on how you can save money instead of buying the mixed feeds because they are more expensive. You can learn how to mix feeds yourself and then you maximize your income. Please like this video, share with your friends, leave a comment for us. Let's get started. In this feed we are going to use 45 kilograms of broken maize, and then 25 kilograms of maize bran. We're also going to use 20 kilograms of the concentrate, and then 10 kilograms of limestone, and then 1 kilogram of the toxin binder. So that is the measurement. We are going to now go and measure this into good and correct amounts, and then we come and mix the feeds.
So we mix from down here. So we start by cleaning the room very well, removing the dust and using a disinfectant to mop down and be able to have a clean environment. And then after, we are going to mix from the ground because sometimes we can use tarpaulin, sometimes mix from that. And so that is it. It's now very clean. So these are the feeds that we are going to measure. We have the concentrate, we have limestone, we have, that is lime actually. Its purpose is to help in giving the chicken calcium that helps in hardening of the eggshells, and also other body benefits like hardening of bones and etc. So that is the broken maize. Of course the camera is not doing justice, but yeah, that is it right now. We are going to measure and then we come back. So this guy helps me to mix as I'm on camera, but then we are going to make 100 kilograms of the feeds, and so we mix the 20 kilograms of the Koudijs concentrate, and then 45 kilograms of broken maize, and then 25 kilograms of maize bran, and also 10 kilograms of lime. So we are going to weigh slowly. So that's how the concentrate looks like inside. It has a very nice scent, and every time we bring new food, birds usually run up and down because it has a very nice scent. So bear with us, watch this video, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, let's learn how we can maximize our income by saving money that we could use to buy mixed feeds. So that is our maize brand. It is very nice and perfect. We have one person who supplies us with the broken maize and maize brand, and is really a good man. Gives us good quality maize, you know. So let's start the measurement. And yes, we also add some toxin binders, and that is the one we use, and it helps in keeping this food good without having aflatoxins, and also helps it not to be sticky, like to grow molds inside. So that is what we use. Keep watching. So that is our weighing scale. You must make sure it is accurate and begins from 0 so that you don't give birds less concentration or high concentration of feed. So we measure and we make sure it's accurate. And so he brings and puts down here where we are going to mix from. Those gumboots do not have to go out to measure. They stay there and he uses them inside, and everything there is very clean and you don't allow any insects or any dirty things to enter here as we are going to mix the feeds. So we keep measuring and bringing until we are done. And so after this measuring is done, is going to mix this feed. He has to add the toxin binder and then mix this feed. So we are going to turn it for about 6 rounds until we see that it is really well mixed and looking uniform. So keep watching. Do not forget to love the video by liking it, sharing it, and leave a comment for us. That is a very big encouragement. So we turn it for about 6 times, and by the end of this video you will see that you can no longer see white, you can no longer see brown, you can no longer see all these colors. You're going to have one uniform color, and that will be a mixed feed for the birds. Our birds have really been so well. I really don't think we don't mix these feeds well. So the production has been really good, except for some few days when there is maybe a disease around. But for the days when the birds are not sick, wow, production is perfect. So I encourage everyone who is beginning to do this farming of poultry to learn how to mix these feeds so that you can save money on the money you spend on feeds. I think you can now see how the feeds look like. You can't be able, to differentiate. And so after the mixing, we get our sack and we pack them in and we store them properly. So this is very perfect. The birds enjoy eating these feeds and they have grown really so well. I encourage you to learn mixing the feeds, and then that is when you will get some good profits on your farm. Thank you for watching. I believe you found this content helpful. That is so, please subscribe and leave a comment for us. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And for now, we have our 100 kilograms of mixed feed. Bye.